Alright, so I wanted to do a tutorial. I found these car coasters on Amazon, and I figured I would show you kind of how I figured out how to make them. It took a while, as you can see, and yes, I did make a Taylor Swift one. I was making it for somebody, a friend of mine. But anyway, you can see this like white line. No matter what I did, I could not get them lined up properly. So I think I've solved that problem. I think. I did finish these, and I thought these came out pretty good. They're teacher ones. So I'm going to try it again. So since these measure 2.75, which they're like exact 2.75, I made my image 2.81. So the image is a tad bigger than the coaster. So then I'm going to kind of get my coaster here lined up, and the object I think here is to see at least that black line all the way around, and I think I've got it. So this was my plan, to tape it like upside down. So I put the tape at the bottom, made sure that this is like lined up, and I can still see that black line all the way around. Okay, so I'm gonna lay that there, and then I have this one, and I want to make sure I'm lining them up right where that cutout is. So this is kind of how I think I've solved my coaster problem, but we shall see. I will show you how I am going to kind of press them. They're really not hard to press. So let me go ahead and get this taped up, and then I'll show you how I press. Okay, so I've got them all ready to sub. They're all taped down, and I'm going to put my blowout paper over it, and I will get back to my heat press. Alright, so I've got it at about 360, if my heat press can keep the temperature, for 60 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead, place this down. Okay, these look pretty good because you can see the ink through the paper. That's what you want to look for when you're subbing. So let's see how they came. Okay, so I think these came out really cute. You got Valentine's ones with the little gnomes, the sarcastic. I'm sorry, did I roll my eyes out loud? So definitely came out really cute. I definitely recommend these. Easy to do.